Hey guys, welcome to Twin Flame Now channel. Today I will be giving a message that I want to through me, or you can say the divine that exists in me, to all the people across the world, and especially who can understand English and who are able to resonate with this message. As we all know, the age of Aquarius has come and we are moving towards the fifth dimension, and there is so much that need to be healed inside us, and there is so much that we need to work on in order for us to ascend. So I want to ask all of you, how will all these things happen for you? All depends on the perception that you hold for yourself and the world. When you see someone, for example, like a good friend or a relative, and what do you see in them? What is the first thing that you note in them? What is the first thing that you notice in them? Is it their heart, or is it what clothes they are wearing? Because the first thing that you notice defines your dimension that you exist in. So, when we move from third dimension to fifth dimension, what happens, as you all have heard a lot of words about third dimension and fifth dimension, but when in reality we move from fifth dimension, third dimension to fifth dimension, what happens is there is more darkness that we need to face. There is more work we need to do. There is more things that we need to work on. Either through healing or either through any other resource. That doesn't matter. The thing that matters is that you're getting healed. That you are working on your ancestral patterns. I guess while doing this audio, I'm feeling that lot of feminines have a problem in their throat chakra that is connected to their divine masculine's throat chakra. So please speak your truth, either it's to your karmic or soulmate, but learn to speak your truth. What is the authentic thing that you are facing right now? The fear that you are facing right now is not letting you ascend. So please, firstly, speak the truth with the partner, with your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever you are living with, because your friends, if they don't know about twin flame journey, you need to tell them that you are in this journey. Yes, this is the person I'm meant to be with, and I'm working on my ascension. Go and tell your friends about the what is ascension. If they don't understand, that is their problem, not your problem. But firstly, we have to learn to speak our truth. What is our authentic self? That is soul. What we have been taught since childhood is to see all the bodies, all the structures, all the materialistic things that doesn't exist, and waiting for someone to come and change this world is not going to happen. It has to start with all of us on individual level. We have to make the changes in order to ascend. And if you are operating still from third dimension, that means you are listening to your ego. But if you are operating in fifth dimension, that means you are listening to your heart. The more you come into heart space, the more it will be easy for you to ascend. Why is it easy to ascend? in fifth dimension and in heart space is because we are so much into our egos. But if you start listening to your heart space, it will be easier for you to take the choices that you make. Either it's taking a bath, either it's having a coffee, either it's doing anything. Every single thing you do should be done from your heart. If you are not doing it, then your energies will not be balanced. Everything should come from heart. There should be love, compassion for others and yourself in your heart. And if there is there are some people in your life that are not resonating with you, family members, friends, whoever they are, it is the best time to let them go, to understand that they are not meant to be in our life anymore. I take it as a quote, and that is feel the fear and let it go. So feel that fear. Feel that fear of being alone. I know it is difficult sometimes to be alone, but there is a difference between being alone and being lonely. You are not alone. Your whole guidance team and universe is with you. We have to trust in this journey in order to move ahead either with our twin flame energetically. Firstly, we have to come into our heart space and operate from there. Either it's talking to your twin flame, either it's saying something to your twin flame. You firstly have to learn to operate from that heart space. If you are operating from your ego, then it is not going to work with you, for you, or others around you in fifth dimension. Please make the necessary changes in your life and develop a small community around you, so those people can help you. Those other twin flames or the people who are ascending can help you, or you can share your feelings with someone. And if you don't find anyone, you can make a prayer or request to universe to help you find a community where you will be supported by others, right? Believe me, your twin flame, divine masculine, loves you unconditionally. I am a divine masculine in feminine body, and I love my feminine unconditionally. This is that kind of a love that doesn't let me sleep. This is that kind of a love that doesn't let me give up on this journey. The moment I try to give up on this journey, her energy helps me in calming down, soothing, and her energy helps me in moving ahead in this journey. I wish you all best wishes for your journey, and I hope that this helps you somewhere. And if one person is getting on the right track with this, I think that the mission, the purpose I came here is being done. Have a lovely time.